A series of road signs posted in Colorado, some wrong way and wildlife crossing.
Signs that the sign shop makes, we make all different signs, anywhere from stop signs all the way to Welcome to Colorful Colorado signs.
Text Colorado Department of Transportation, Division of Maintenance and Operations. Shop manager Corey Moricher speaks.
So for in the sign shop, the process for making signs, it starts with our digital printing, which we have changed over the last few years. Within that office, it's the overlay film, cutting stickers out, getting it ready for production on the floor.
From the laminator, I'll put it on our plotter. Our plotter is a knife-based cutter, which will cut out the parameters of any size sign. So we should have an exact fit from a sticker to metal that has been produced on the floor.
We start from raw stock aluminum. We cut it down on our 10-foot squaring shear. After we cut down the signs, we take the metal and we cut them into specialty cuts on our water jet.
So when we bring the sign over, we're gonna use our drill press right here. This is going from a flat panel sign as a class 1. We're turning it into a class 2.
Once we're done with all the drilling, we make sure everything's cleaned up, polished up, and we go to the final stages of stick down.
We fill our backing off the back of our sticker, and then from here, it's a natural roll onto the sign. We definitely take pride in our signs, and every single step is something we pay attention to.
So that's our main process of getting our stick down done from start to finish, from raw stock aluminum all the way to finished product ready for our customers from around the state. On a year-to-year basis, the sign shop makes upwards of 8,000 to 10,000 signs a year. We make a whole bunch of signs, which again helps the traveling public. There's warning signs out there to deal with the hazards along the roads, whether it's a winding road, and we have the construction, the traffic control signs. That helps regulate the traffic, and it also helps keep them safe with the advanced warnings for the hazards that are out there. For the sign shop crew, we have employees that are on the production floor and make signs day to day.
An employee monitors an automated jigsaw.
One guy to print them, another guy to start cutting them and sticking them. But as a team, we're putting these orders together, hundreds of signs at a time. So for what we do in the sign shop and all the signs we make, the public definitely has benefited from the amount of signs we have out there.
We take a lot of pride in these signs. As you can see, we do a lot of different steps as we run through the process of just a single sign.
Text Colorado Department of Transportation. We do more than you think. Join the team.